In 1992, I fell off a cliff in the Grand Canyon, so I injured my back, I broke my back, and in the 20 years that I've been doing body work, it's just to learn how my body works so that I can envision a better future for myself. I broke my back.
Would these work better for you?
You know, I would rather use glass than plastic. That's just my personal preference. So I broke my back, I cracked my head, I broke my foot. I have injuries in my hips because of the fall. I mean, I think I fell about 50 feet. So I do body work, I do deep tissue and shiatsu. I'm also a biofeedback technician. So biofeedback is about feedback of external information into an internal body and then feeding it back. So I have a machine that does that kind of work. And I've been learning that for over 4 years. And during the last 3 years, I've actually been selling ionized water machines. So I really have created a palette, a feeling for my environment, what works for my body and what doesn't work for my body. And also, in the last few months, I've realized that the world is a bunch of invisible things. I mean, we have EMF, which is invisible. We have radiation, which is invisible. And we have this healing tool that has energy coming from it that is invisible. Yet the story of this wand is that a lot of people get great reactions from the wand. It just allows the body to recognize how to feed into a place where it can feel better about itself. So I was introduced to the wand and I was pretty kind of skeptical, but a friend of mine and I were taking care of a friend who was chemically challenged. And so one day she came in and she says, "You've got to go to a meeting. This meeting's about a magic wand." And I went, I think this is going to get a little flaky. I don't think I want to go there. So I walked into a room and there was like all these gray-haired people. And the room was full of gray-haired people. You know, like 50 pairs of shoes on the floor. And I'm going, what am I getting into? So I said, well, I watched the meeting, I saw the pitch, and I says, okay, I'll check it out. So I bought myself a wand, and when it got to me, I just said, oh my God, I got taken. You know, this is definitely, you know, snake oil stuff, and I'm going to return it as soon as I finish with it. The first day, I was so irritated, and I was so pissed off. Day 2, my kid said to me, "Hey, Mom, you're giggling. I've never seen you giggle. I've never seen you happy." You know, well, not in that way, you know, like, you know, just, he would say something and I'd just start laughing at it. And he goes, "Mom, that's very unusual." So, day 3, I was full-on electric. I could see Reiki hands, energy coming out of my hands, my whole body was going into primal grid, but that's just my story. That's when I said, I have an unshakable story, and I know this thing has an effect on me. And so I went whole hog. I wrote an article on my blog, monica.ca.